What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I got another wig review for you guys, so let's get into it. So the unit that I'm wearing today is by Sensationnel and it is called Dara. And I'll show you a clip of what it looks like on the model. It's an instant fashion wig and I got it in the shade 4 medium brown, and it looks dark on camera and it looks dark in person, but it is a medium brown. So I purchased this wig from elevatestyles.com and it retails for $17.49. Now if I have found it on different websites for lesser prices. So Sam's Beauty has this wig for like $11.99, and then this website called Ebony Line has it for like $13.49. I've never shopped at Ebony Line, but it is apparently other people shop at it. I've never bought anything on that website, but they do have the same wig for a cheaper price. I've shopped from Sam's Beauty though, and they have it for $11.99. So yeah, I don't know why the prices are different on different websites, but I bought this from Elevate Styles before I even went on any other website. So this wig has two clips. It has one in the front, one in the back. It has two adjustable straps. It is a synthetic hair, but it can take heat up to 350 degrees through 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no part at all in this wig. There is no lace parting or anything like that. So I guess that's why they call it an instant fashion wig, because you can just throw it on and go out the door. Is this big head friendly? I wouldn't. If you know your head is big, like it is for sure, and you have had struggles dealing with other wigs fitting too snug or whatever, this is not big head friendly. I am on the last adjustment hope. Like I am at that end, and I've never really had to do that, but I am like at that end and it's still holding for dear life. And when I first put it on, it was on the first latch of the adjustable, the little thing in the back of the wig, and it just felt like it was so tight that it could just pop off at any moment. And so I was like, damn. So I went to the middle one and it still felt too tight, and so I went to the last one, and I'm on the last one right now. So my head, I do have a little headache. It is kind of snug, but if you look at the model's head on this picture, her head looks pretty small. So I think this wig is for small-headed people. I wish that they would specify on websites. Like, I know they don't want to be offensive and say big head, small head friendly or whatever, but this is not for big-headed people. I'm glad I didn't pay an arm and a leg for this wig, because I would be pissed. And honestly, like, I don't really like the style that much. It's a long bang in the front, but the way it looks on this person, I'm not getting that on my head. And I have been playing around with it, trying to get this to go the way that I would like, because all of this is like all hair going to the front. So I don't know, I'm not feeling this wig. If you want to see a short wig that I love, you could check out my review on the Vela wig. What's that? Vela wig. I'll put in one of the cards, but I love that unit. I wear that unit to this day. I purchased some more after I, was done wearing the first one. I purchased a couple more because I like wearing it to the gym, and it's an easy style. Like, I did cut the front bangs, but it's cute. So if you want to see a short hairstyle same length as this that I actually love, I'll include that in the cards and in the description bar. But this unit, I just don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I feel like it looks like I don't know. I just don't like it. Like, I like this side, and I like how they could have made this, like, the construction is okay. It's just too small. These two side flaps that you usually have on a wig, they're kind of coming up, and I guess it's because my hair's too big, and I know damn well I shouldn't be wearing this for a long period of time. But the two straps on the side, like the two patch laps that go on the side of your head, is kind of coming up. It's not for me. It's not for my big head. I think that if you are willing to put in some time to probably customize the bangs to whatever you may want it to be, then maybe you'll like it. But for me, like, it's a no for me. I'm good. It does not shed or anything, and it's a good quality. Like, it's not shedding or falling apart or anything. It's just the style is not cute and the size is too small. Like, my head should not be feeling like it's about to explode out of this wig. And I understand. I'm not going to complain too much because there are a lot of wigs that fit my head. But this is not big head friendly. Don't be playing. You can go try if you want to, but don't be upset. And don't cut that tag off. By the way, it does not come with lace at all. The good things about this wig is very affordable, low maintenance. You could just throw it on and leave. The cons is it's too tight. It's not big head friendly. And I don't like the bangs. Like, I don't like the style. So let me know what you guys' thoughts are on this wig. I'm a little disappointed, but it's cool. Let me know what you guys thought of this wig. I'm going to do a 360 view of this unit so you can see the wig in its entirety. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are and if you've purchased this wig. Thank you for tuning in. I'll talk to you later. Bye.